Hi, I'm Kellee Malone, broker-owner of Reliable Realty and the Malone Realty Group. Welcome to my newest listing at 22840 Carancho Rd here in the beautiful area of Duluth and Temecula. Come on in and take a look. This exquisite single-story hacienda home is nestled in the picturesque Duluth area and offers a serene and luxurious lifestyle on 11.96 sprawling acres of natural beauty. This property is a true paradise, boasting a meticulously maintained Primitivo varietal vineyard and a charming guest house. Step into the main house and be greeted by a stunning floor plan, an entertainer's dream really, with an open living room concept along with the dining room, where the warm tones seamlessly blend into the natural surroundings visible through the 4 cents of French doors, opening to the massive terrace. Just off the living room, a library suited perfectly for the book connoisseur. The heart of the home is the gourmet kitchen, a culinary enthusiast dream featuring top-of-the-line Viking appliances that promise to elevate your cooking experience. Whether a cozy family dinner or a grand soiree, this kitchen is fully equipped to cater to your every culinary desire. The main house is comprised of 2 spacious suites designed to provide comfort and tranquility. The master bedroom offers a separate ensuite, perfect for a nursery or office, and opens to the terrace. The master suite also offers an oversized, luxurious bathroom, offering an oasis of privacy and relaxation. The junior suite boasts a large seating area as well as a separate private bathroom. The powder room is elegantly appointed, ensuring guests enjoy the utmost convenience and sophistication. As you step outside through the French doors, just off the dining area, a sprawling outdoor haven awaits just across the pool-sized yard. The vineyard, a labor of love, graces the landscape and offers not only a visual feast, but also potential for crafting your own wines. The gentle rustling of leaves and the sweet fragrance from the family orchard create an enchanting atmosphere, making it an ideal space for leisurely strolls or alfresco gatherings. In the Duluth area, where nature's beauty unfolds in every direction, this property stands out as a testament to the harmonious coexistence of luxury and nature. So feel free and reach out to me and schedule your showing today.